So we have reached the capacity limits to the European airspace a long time ago, and it's still the case now. We cannot add capacity, so we need to find a better use.
The intention is to bring an additional element of flexibility between airlines to reduce the operational cost of delay.
So by having a delay on a flight which is critical, then you just spread the delay over all the other flights through passenger connection, crew rotations or aircraft rotations.
Actually, ATM has no way to know the operational impact of the delay on airline operations and on passengers. Only the airlines know.
We have seen that actually there was the need for a data market like SlotMachine to really gain the benefits and make all the operation and slot exchange more efficient.
We will reduce the snowball effect on our operations, and we will steer better our operations.
So the airlines are allowed to prioritize their own flights.
We can calculate based on all our cost structure or data, and then we can make the best out of the capacity that we have.
But there is something which is missing, and this point is quite important because there is no way to exchange data for the airspace users in a privacy-friendly way.
With the current UDPP, you can only exchange slots between your own flights, and you're not going to exchange with the other airlines because this is very sensitive data.
The innovation in SlotMachine was really to look at the privacy-preserving way to gain the trust of the airspace users.
Airlines will only participate in the market if they can be assured that their data is maximally protected.
Other airline could know about your business priorities or opportunities for market. We need a privacy-preserving concept
that will allow the airlines to exchange slots without revealing that important information that they don't want to reveal to their competitors.
To protect the confidentiality of data, it's really important to use cryptographic tools.
We use an evolutionary algorithm which separates the search for the candidate solutions from the evaluation of the solutions.
We can really encrypt data and even process data in encrypted form.
To have multi-party computation in place.
No stakeholder in the system, not even the platform operator itself, learns anything about the preferences shared by the companies. People share their preferences in a sense, and they share costs incurring.
Based on the passenger connection, based on the crew rotation, aircraft rotation.
And then if everything put together into an optimization algorithm which then really finds the best combinations.
We will get more flexibility, which means more choice.
So we give the airspace user fairness and trustworthiness.
There is, for me, a link between flexibility, which is what the airline wants, and predictability, which is what airports and ATM want.
We have developed different market mechanisms. One market mechanism would use real-world currency like euros or dollars, but we have also proposed market mechanisms that build on a flexible credit system that compensates airspace users that give up favorable slots.
So by using the slot machine, some airlines are getting less delay but giving credits, and the other are getting the credits that they can use to recover from over delay at another point. So it really creates a balance between who is giving something and who is receiving something.
The market mechanism incentivizes airspace users to participate, to give up slots now for flights that are not so important, to be able to prioritize important flights in the future.
So by giving up something, you also receive something, so it means everybody wins.
We leverage blockchain also as a tool to record and trace the progress in the system and what happened in the system, to verify that this was done correctly without knowing the inputs of the others.
And then you just open the possibility if you just swap without any constraint and with the other airlines.
It's really about protecting the security, but also be assured that their input has been treated correctly and fairly. The results we are achieving are not only of theoretical nature, but also practically relevant.
And we have proven that the market is ready.
We have real use cases and more efficient operation of resources.
SlotMachine already started to demonstrate that it is possible to provide a privacy-friendly environment for airspace users to exchange data.
The more users are participating, the better it is, the more efficient the platform is working.
And by having more airlines in the project and participating, you enhance the possibilities for a better optimization. So we need more airlines.
The privacy-preserving technology can work. The heuristic algorithm can work as well. And they have established an architecture that could work, that is adaptable to the deployment options.
It is possible to exchange slots between the airlines.
We automatically reduce the cost of the airline.
The level of maturity of the project, it's pretty promising.
If we can avoid the more rerouting, also there is the environmental impact, and it means that there is less CO2 emission.
For us, it's a game changer, and now we are at a stage where we can really apply it here.
It was great to be a part of this team.
And we are eager for the next steps.
And now we want to implement it step by step and make it happening in life.